I feel like American Gothic again. Seriously, why am I always holding a pitchfork-like thing? Hi everyone, welcome back to a new Natural Home with Jennifer. I have my little assistant here with me today, and we're going to talk about the E-Cloth Mop. I had a lot of you request this, and here we go, we're going to talk about it. Okay, so I have reviewed E-Cloth a few times on Natural Home with Jennifer, and I'll leave those reviews below. But if you don't know, E-Cloth is a microfiber cloth system, really high quality ones with a tight weave. So these are the ones that you clean with only water. They pick up 99% of bacteria in your home. They have a whole line. I mean, pretty much everything you want to clean, you can do it with just water. So this is for my uber natural ladies who don't want to use any product, no chemicals, but also for people who want to save money, because basically you buy the cloth and then you just clean with water. So you're not constantly buying product. I find them to be really effective. I love my E-Cloths and they are fantastic. You know, I switch it up. I do a little bit of everything, but this is great. It just suits a lot of people. So many people asked me about the Mop System. So I have it right here. As I'm talking, you're gonna be seeing me on a different day mopping the kitchen floor, and this is where my 2-year-old sits. He makes a huge mess. So this is the messiest part of the floor. And that's the wonderful thing, there's no chemicals on it. Like honestly, I love this because I have little kids. This guy is gonna start crawling in a few months, and I think it's nice that the floor will be clean, but without chemicals. Okay, so they sent me the mop, and the mop head is great. It adjusts to your height, it swivels really well, and they also sent the cloth that goes with it. So this is actually called the Mop Head. Now I know a lot of you actually have that mop that I also have, the one from Amazon, the one that is really long and stretches out. This fits that, by the way. If you just want to buy the mop heads, you don't want to buy another mop because you already have one, this fits that one. But anyway, their mop, of course, is great too. It's really high quality. So it has a special weave that breaks up and holds grease and dirt, which ordinary mops leave behind. And it really does. It really picks up a lot of dirt, and you can feel it when you're pushing it on the floor that it's grabbing onto things. It's pretty amazing. Just water, there's no chemicals. They say that the power is in the fibers, and it removes over 99% of bacteria. And the mop heads have a 3-year guarantee, just like all of their cloths. Here's the deal. You know that I love the Method Almond floor cleaner, right? It's called, I can't remember what it's called now, but you know what I mean, the Method one. I love it. But here's the thing, I have such a huge floor space in this house. I know that's a high quality problem, but it also is a lot of floor to mop, and I was burning through that stuff. I mean, I'm not kidding. I was buying bottles and bottles and bottles of it. So it's actually nice that I can just mop the floor with water mostly and save money, and then use that one when I want to polish the floors, maybe every 2 weeks or once a month or something. I feel like I have mop fibers on my nose. So the mop head, just one of these is about $13.99. You can buy them in bundles as well. And if you buy the mop, which is about $39.99, it comes with one of these. I contacted them to see if they had a code for you, and they do. I love to give you codes because I want to give you a discount if you do get it. And so the code is Spring Scott, and that gives you 15% off, and that goes until March 15th. So anyway, it's a great high quality mopping system. I love that it only uses water. If you have babies crawling on the floor, you still want the bacteria off, but you don't want them touching any product, okay? Because that's kind of where I am right now. I really don't want him touching products and just putting his hands in his mouth. So there we go. What do you think about that? He's getting tired. I gotta go. By the way, this video could also be what I look like in the middle of the day. It has been such a long day, just crazy, full on. Don't eat the mop head. Okay, I hope that you enjoyed this video today, and thanks to E-Cloth for the great discount. We really appreciate it. Okay, I'll see you next time. Bye.